Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, A Comprehensive Guide to Python Functions Returning Lists. Introduction. In Python, functions are a fundamental part of the language, allowing you to encapsulate a set of instructions into a reusable block of code. One powerful feature is the ability to have functions return lists, enabling you to pass data back to the calling code for further processing. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to create functions that return lists, and we'll provide examples to illustrate different scenarios. Let's start with the basic syntax of a Python function that returns a list. In this example, the function create_list creates a list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and returns it. You can call this function and store the result in a variable. Output. You can also create functions that generate lists dynamically based on input parameters. For example, calling this function with arguments 1, 5 will produce the list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Functions can also modify existing lists and return the modified version. Here's an example. Calling this function with 1, 2, 3 as an argument will return 1, 4, 9. You may encounter scenarios where you need to return multiple lists from a function. One way to achieve this is by returning a tuple of lists. Calling this function with 2 lists as arguments will return a tuple of 2 lists. Output. Conclusion. Functions returning lists in Python provide a flexible way to encapsulate logic and manipulate data. By understanding the concepts covered in this tutorial, you'll be better equipped to work with functions that return lists in your Python projects. ChatGPT.